Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to redeem a Spotify gift card. Also, if you are new to our YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any other tutorials like this. Spotify is a digital music service that provides access to millions of songs and podcasts. To redeem a Spotify gift card, first make sure you have physical or your e-gift card ready. The redeem option is not available at Spotify's application. So to redeem the gift card, first open any web browser on your device. I am using Google Chrome. Now on search bar type spotify.com/redeem. Now you can see the Spotify website. Now log into your Spotify. You can use Google account, Facebook account or your Apple account, or you can also log in manually. Then you will be taken to redeem your code page. Now you need to enter your premium code that is on the gift card. Then tap on I am not a robot. And now tap on continue. With this, you'll be able to redeem Spotify's gift card. This is how we can redeem Spotify gift card. If you like today's tutorial or if today's tutorial was helpful, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.